Chicago just declared war on federal law, and what the mayor did could trigger the biggest constitutional crisis since the Civil War. And Mayor Brandon Johnson signed an order banning ICE from city property, parks, schools, libraries, all of it. He says he's protecting immigrants, but former ICE Director Jonathan Fahey just exposed something huge. This order violates two federal laws and the United States Constitution itself. The Trump administration is calling it a disgusting betrayal, and they're not backing down. So here's my question for you. Should mayors face arrest for harboring criminal illegal aliens? Drop your answer in the comments right now, because I think so. But what they're hiding is going to shock you, because this isn't just about Chicago. This is about whether any city in America can simply ignore federal authority whenever they feel like it. So let's break down exactly what's happening. My name is Tom. I'm with the Daily Beltway. I'm also a White House correspondent for the Next News Network. Make sure you guys give them a follow. We're a growing channel, and every like, comment, and subscription helps us grow and keep bringing you the truth that the mainstream media just doesn't want to touch. Just give us a thumbs up or say I voted for this in the comments if you can. So go ahead and check this out. It's former acting ICE Director Jonathan Fahey. He spoke this week, I think yesterday, on Fox News about what's happening in Chicago, and it's brutal.
So Brandon Johnson is wholly against the deployment of any federal forces in Chicago, particularly federalizing the National Guard. But when you look at the crime statistics, if any city needs help, it's Chicago.
Yeah, you're exactly right. And normally, cities would welcome federal help that have crime problems. And you see in D.C., Mayor Bowser, after initial reluctance, has actually welcomed it. And the city's better off, I think, objectively. But Brandon Johnson's new executive order is pretty amazing on a couple of fronts because it violates two federal laws. One, the alien harboring law, which says anything to shield illegal aliens from detection. And he specifically says, that's the purpose of it, it's also a violation of federal obstruction because it's to impede federal agents. So the big fun irony of his executive order is that it violates federal law and it's also unenforceable on its terms under the Supremacy Clause. So another stunt, but I don't even think he recognizes really what the repercussions would be if it was actually played out.
So my question is, if all of this is a violation of all these things, like why don't they arrest him? Why, like, what can they do? I mean, yeah, lawsuits and all that stuff, I get it, but I mean, it's at what point does it cross the legal threshold to make it actionable? I know if there was a Republican governor or city person doing that under the Biden or Obama, they would have been in jail. Anyways, that was my aside. Back to it. So Fahey, he did not hold back. He said Johnson's order violates two federal laws, harboring and obstruction. He explained that Chicago's ban on ICE access directly interferes with federal agents carrying out their mission, which is a constitutional violation under the U.S. Supremacy Clause. In short, federal law outranks city politics. And Johnson's order bans ICE from city-controlled properties like parks, garages, and even schools. He claims it's to preserve community trust.